This is the Qinux Aquoxis, a nozzle for your garden hose that supposedly boosts water pressure 15 times. Here's the ad, here's the nice little box, everything looks polished and professional. In the promo they show the usual before and after, without the nozzle, weak stream. With the nozzle, suddenly it's blasting dirt off concrete like a serious power washer. 15 times more pressure? That's a massive claim, so let's see if this thing is actually real. Now watch the ad a little more carefully, because something here is off. At first glance, it looks convincing. The nozzle sprays, the surfaces get cleaned, the results look dramatic. But then you notice a detail that kind of ruins the whole performance. The thing they're selling and the tool doing the heavy cleaning are not the same product at all. On one side, they show a tiny hose attachment. On the other, in the money shots, you're clearly looking at a real pressure washer with a pump, and that machine actually can clean like that. This little metal tube on a garden hose? That alone should raise some questions. So let's follow the ad link. It takes us to aquoxis-shop.com. Right away, 4.8 stars, rated by happy customers, a pop-up offering 50% off, and big promises about extreme power and hydropower technology. Very serious, very scientific, totally not made up. They recycle the same clips and photos from the ad. And yes, the nozzle sprays water. Great. Incredible achievement, but all the dramatic before and after images and the thousands of happy users stuff, no real close-up proof that this exact nozzle does what the page claims. Then you scroll all the way down and it gets even stranger. Buried in the fine print is a weird medical disclaimer saying this product isn't meant to treat or prevent disease. For a hose nozzle. Why is there medical disclaimer text on a pressure washer ad? Because this page looks like it was copied from some supplement scam template and barely edited. That's how sloppy this is. Now let's try to buy it. You get redirected to another site. Suddenly the rating is 4.7 instead of 4.8, and now they claim over 8,000 satisfied customers. Okay, sure. Then come the pressure tactics. Only 18 items left in stock. Countdown energy. Congratulations, you unlocked 50% off. One nozzle costs $67, but if you buy 5, the price drops to $37 each. Classic upsell logic. The more junk you buy, the better the deal. Below that, more suspicious reviews, more happy users, and then they ask for your card details. So let's check the basics. According to Huayas, aquoxis-shop.com was created just a couple of weeks ago, which raises a pretty simple question. If the site is brand new, where did those 8,000 satisfied customers come from? Time travel? Then there's Trustpilot. The page keeps showing a rating styled to look like Trustpilot, but on Trustpilot itself, for Aquoxis Shop, 0 reviews, not 1. So again, where exactly are these glowing scores coming from? And we already know Qinux is the brand behind this. On Trustpilot, Qinux has roughly 1 star across a pile of reviews. People say the products are nothing like the ads, call it a scam, complain about return problems, and say the gadgets are cheap junk sold for way more than they're worth. And this isn't even new. About a year ago, I covered a very similar product called WaterBlitz. Same brand, the same nozzle, same 15 times more pressure story, same miracle before and after footage. And the reviews for WaterBlitz, same disaster. Terrible ratings, angry buyers, people saying it doesn't work, fake hype, fake claims, avoid at all costs. Now compare the old WaterBlitz promo to this Aquoxis one. It's basically the same product relaunched under a fresh name after the last version got exposed. And then there's the price. They want $67 for this revolutionary attachment. So I searched by the product photo on AliExpress. The exact same nozzle shows up for about $1. Same design, same metal tube, same cheap plastic parts, no miracle engineering, just a generic hose attachment, and physics still exists. Without a pump, this thing cannot turn normal garden hose pressure into industrial cleaning power. A nozzle can change the spray pattern a bit. That's it. It cannot become the gas-powered pressure washer they keep showing in the ad. Bottom line, they show you one thing and sell you something else. a real pressure washer in the promo, a $1 nozzle in the cart, wrapped in fake ratings, fake scarcity, and fake thousands of satisfied customers. If you already ordered it, save every screenshot and contact your bank or payment provider. If you haven't bought it yet, now you know what these Aquoxis and WaterBlitz miracles really are. Same cheap gadget, same old trick,